Class. The definition of class is blueprint for creating objects. Think of a class as a blueprint, like the recipe for a pizza. The recipe doesn't feed you, but you can create pizzas from it. Here, class pizza. This is a blueprint. Imagine a recipe for pizza. It tells you what a pizza should have, but it is not the actual pizza yet. String type. This says, every pizza will have a type. Example, veggie, margherita, cheese burst, etc. Int size. This says, every pizza will have a size. Example, 7 inches, 12 inches, 16 inches. So, the class pizza is like a recipe card that says, any pizza made from this recipe must have a type and a size. But notice, this code alone doesn't create a pizza. It only describes how pizzas look. Object. The definition of object is instance of a class, real-world entity created from the blueprint. An object is the real pizza you eat, made from the class, recipe. You can make many pizzas from the same recipe. Example for object is pizza P1 equal to new pizza. Here, pizza, this is the class name, the recipe. It tells Java, I want to make a pizza using the pizza recipe. P1, this is the object reference, the pizza box name. Think of it as a label on your pizza box that says, this one is P1. New pizza, this is the real pizza getting baked in the oven. The keyword new means, make me a fresh pizza using the recipe. The main 4 pillars of OOPS are inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism. Inheritance. The definition of inheritance is one class inherits properties and behavior of another class. A child inherits things from a parent. Like, your dad has a car, and you also get to use it without buying. Example for inheritance. Here, class parent. Parent class has a method car, which says, has a car. Think of this as dad owns a car. Class child extends parent. Extends means the child inherits everything from parent. So, even though you didn't write anything inside child, it still gets the car, method from parent. Encapsulation. The definition of encapsulation is wrapping data means, variables, and methods into a single unit with restricted access. Think of a capsule. All the medicine is wrapped inside. In Java, variables, methods are wrapped inside a class, with private fields and getter a setter to protect them. Example for encapsulation. Here, private int balance. Balance is like money inside a piggy bank. You cannot touch it directly because it is private, locked. Set balance, int b, like putting money into the piggy bank using a small opening. Get balance, like looking through a tiny window to check how much money is inside. Abstraction. The definition of abstraction is hiding internal details and showing only essential features. When you drive a car, you only see the steering wheel and pedals. You don't care about the engine's messy wires. That is abstraction, showing only what is necessary and hiding the rest. Abstract class car. Think of car as a concept or idea. You know cars can drive, but you don't know exactly how yet. Abstract class, instructions without details. You cannot make a car directly, just like you can drive a car idea. Abstract void drive. This is saying, every car must have a drive function, but each car decides how it drives. It is like a rule, all cars should drive, but the way they drive can be different. Class Tosla extends car. Tosla is a real car made from the car idea. Tosla implements the drive method, autopilot driving. Polymorphism. The definition of polymorphism means one thing, many forms. In the polymorphism mainly contain 2 types. First one, compile time polymorphism, method overloading. Second one, runtime polymorphism, method overriding. Compile time polymorphism means same method name, different parameters. Runtime polymorphism means same method in parent-child, but executed differently. Example for polymorphism. Imagine you go to a restaurant and say, I want juice. If you give 2 apples, 3 apples, you'll get apple juice. If you give 2 oranges, 7 oranges, you'll get orange juice. Same action, make juice, like method add. But ingredients are different parameters. Example for runtime polymorphism. Class animal. This is the parent class. It has a method sound, prints animal sound. Think of it as a general rule. Every animal can make a sound. Class dog extends animal. Dog is a child class of animal. It overrides the sound, method to say, bark. Meaning, I am still an animal, but my sound is different.